The all-new Suzuki Vitara 2026 has officially made its debut, and it's clear that Suzuki is ready to shake up the compact SUV market once again. Welcome to AutoQuake, where we bring you the latest and most exciting car reviews, and today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the brand new 2026 Suzuki Vitara. This SUV has always been known for its compact size, rugged charm, and reliable performance. But the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level with modern styling, advanced tech features, and upgraded performance capabilities. From the very first glance, the 2026 Vitara stands out with its bold new design. Suzuki has gone with a more aggressive and futuristic look this time around. The front grille is now wider and sleeker, integrated smoothly with sharp LED headlights that give the SUV a more premium presence. The signature DRLs are now more sculpted, and the bumper design adds a muscular touch that makes it feel more like an adventure-ready SUV than ever before. Around the sides, you'll notice sharper character lines, slightly flared wheel arches, and sporty alloy wheels that enhance its dynamic stance. The rear design also gets an update, with refreshed taillights and a cleaner, more modern look overall. Inside the cabin, Suzuki has made a serious effort to boost both quality and technology. The interior now feels more refined, with soft touch, materials used in key areas, an updated dashboard layout, and ambient lighting options in higher trims. The new infotainment system is one of the standout features. Now a large 10-inch floating touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Suzuki has also added a fully digital instrument cluster that gives drivers access to real-time vehicle info, navigation, and customizable display settings. Comfort is enhanced with improved seat cushioning, dual-zone climate control, and more legroom for both front and rear passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 Vitara offers a few exciting powertrain options. Suzuki continues to embrace electrification, and for the first time, the Vitara will come with a new hybrid variant. It features a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with a mild hybrid system, offering better fuel efficiency and smoother acceleration. For those who want more traditional options, a turbocharged 1.4-liter booster jet engine is still available, delivering peppy performance and excellent drivability in urban environments. The hybrid variant is expected to deliver up to 23 to 25 kml depending on driving conditions, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its segment. A 6-speed automatic transmission and optional AllGrip all-wheel drive system ensure that the Vitara remains capable on rough terrains and challenging weather conditions. Safety is another area where the 2026 Vitara has taken a leap forward. Suzuki has equipped it with the latest Suzuki Safety Support Suite, which includes autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. It also comes with a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and advanced traction control, giving drivers confidence on every journey. These upgrades make it not only a fun and versatile vehicle, but also a very safe one for families. In terms of practicality, the 2026 Vitara retains its reputation for being spacious and functional. The rear seats can be folded flat for more cargo room, and there are plenty of small storage spaces throughout the cabin. The boot space has been slightly increased, making it even more useful for weekend getaways or grocery runs. And with features like a hands-free power tailgate and roof rails, Suzuki has clearly kept the needs of active users in mind. Driving the 2026 Vitara is a surprisingly refined experience. The suspension has been retuned to offer better ride comfort, especially on bumpy roads. The steering is light and responsive, which makes maneuvering in tight city spaces easy. At highway speeds, it feels stable and planted, and the improved NVH levels mean less road and wind noise inside the cabin. Whether you're a daily commuter, a small family, or someone who loves to go off the beaten path every now and then, the new Vitara seems like it has something for everyone. Suzuki has also paid attention to value for money. The 2026 Vitara will be offered in multiple trims, with competitive pricing that undercuts many rivals in the compact SUV category while offering more standard features. It's clear that Suzuki wants to make the Vitara not just a niche player, but a strong contender for buyers who are considering other popular models like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, or even the Toyota Yaris Cross. The 2026 Suzuki Vitara is a refreshing blend of style, practicality, and modern technology wrapped up in an affordable and capable SUV package. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and safety, it represents a major step forward for Suzuki. Whether you're buying your first SUV or looking to upgrade to something more modern and efficient, the new Vitara deserves a serious look. That's it for today's detailed review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from AutoQuake.